Welcome or welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am Uniquely Lavish if you are new. And in today's episode of Vlogmas Day 3, we will be creating our own DIY canvas photos. Now, I know you're like, well, how are we going to transform a regular photo into a canvas photo? If you want to know more, then please stay tuned.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Alright, you guys, so first things first, you're going to need a canvas that is the size of the photo that you will be using. I'm using a 24 by 36 size canvas. So you're going to need your canvas. I purchased mine from Hobby Lobby. It was $13.99. I chose to get a black canvas instead of painting it black, simply because it will cut down the workload. Okay, so you can definitely purchase your canvas the color that you need it to be in the background, or you can simply paint a white one, which may be a little cheaper than the $13.99 mark, and you can just buy black paint and paint it. I also purchased these sponge brushes and matte Mod Podge from Hobby Lobby as well. Now, what is some great artwork without just a smidge of wine? Okay, there's nothing wrong with a little bit of a sip and create. So that's what we're doing today. Cheers, you guys. Let's get to it. We're going to start out by pouring some Mod Podge into a cup or a container or whatever you choose to use. I chose to use just a regular solo plastic cup for easy disposal. I'm going to dip my sponge brush into the cup with the Mod Podge, and I'm just going to saturate the canvas with the Mod Podge. Now, you guys, I do recommend that you do this on a flat surface because your canvas will slide and glide, okay, friends? In this first step, you want to make sure that you get the corners really well so that your canvas or your photo, once you place it on top of the canvas, will lay extremely flat. Again, these are sponge brushes. We don't want to waste any product, so squeeze what you can out to make sure that you have enough Mod Podge to finish your project. I did an online order at Walgreens for this 24 by 36 inch photo of one of my wedding photos. I just changed the color to black and white on the Walgreens website. And honestly, I should have been made this photo or this canvas a long time ago. I have over 150 wedding photos that I just put in one book, but I wanted something, that was a little bit more memorable to have as memories around my home, because Sweet Pea wasn't here yet, but she need to know how she got here, okay? Period, friend. But I thought that it was a really good deal, $15.99. All you got to do is place it online. Always search for coupon codes. I found a coupon code and it came up to $15.99, which was not bad for this size of a photo. And the photo was printed out and ready in 15 minutes. So if you have a Walgreens or a CVS or any kind of fast photo print place in your area, always check the website. You're going to carefully line up the edges of your photo to your canvas and make sure that you press that thing down, friend, okay? Make sure that it is nice and secure. Press it down as hard as you can. Don't worry about the photo. The photo is going to be just fine, okay? Press it down to make sure that it is flush and secure to your canvas. Now here is where we make our regular photo into a canvas, you guys. We are going to take that same matte Mod Podge and we are going to saturate the top of our photo. Y'all was like, we look too beautiful to be covering us up like this, but trust the process, you guys. It's going to work. I was having a little a little resentment after that first stroke, but it went away. It went away, friend. It went away. Slowly but surely it went away. Now that we have finished and covered our photo completely in the Mod Podge, you guys can see that as it's drying, the texture is slowly but surely changing to a canvas, you guys. I got super excited when I saw this part, but I was like, okay, is it gonna really dry clear over our faces, you guys? And it did. I was uber excited. I thought that this was super duper cute and sentimental, you guys. Look at the finished results. Look at the texture of this canvas, you guys. If you are looking for an inexpensive gift for a loved one, or if you would like to do this, for your own personal reasons, for memorabilia, please consider doing it. If you do it, tag me. Let me know how it turned out. Let me know what you think about it. I thank you guys so very much for tuning in to this episode of Vlogmas Day 3, baby. Thank y'all so much for tuning in for this season of Vlogmas. I love the motivation. I'm truly grateful for each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with someone who may find some use of it. And even if they don't, friend, share it anyway, okay? Until tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bad little flex. She wanna know.